How to log out of YouTube on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the YouTube application on your device and now tap on your profile icon or the U option on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen. Here, if you scroll through, as you can see, there is no direct option to simply log out. So tap on the switch account option under the account tab and further you will see the option for use YouTube signed out. So tap on the use YouTube signed out option you see there, and with this, as you can see, you have been signed out from YouTube. So this was about how you can log out of YouTube on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this.